Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is
early morning hot water, empty stomach, it's good for your health. So I daily drink.
to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
My plan is to show you guys how an IT employee just works in the environment of like now in this duration of time, that is work from home, and where we thought of something and actually the reality is something else. That you will know slowly. So I'll show you what was my expectation when I thought about work from home, how it was, and the reality, what the reality of work from home is nowadays. So I don't think after this, once office everything is open, I don't think anybody is going to ask for a work from home anymore. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. The morning I just freshened up and came and took bath and started my work. So it's time right now is 10 o'clock and I started my work because I got calls, and it around took a half an hour of meeting and then signed the works and everything. So this is just the start of the day, and continuous we have receiving calls and lot of work is there today. So actually today is Monday, so there will be a lot of works, and Monday to Friday this is the routine going to be. So guys, right now I'm in a meeting and the time is 11 o'clock. So I logged in by 10:15 around. So from that time on I'm on a meeting and not able to do anything. So this is the starting phase just now only in the morning time. So one of my colleague called me and said that today we have to sit till late. So it's just a bad notice right now. The routine starts like this only every day. So I was working and my mom came and told that she made a cake. I don't know how suddenly she thought of making a cake, and it was a surprise for me. So now the cake is ready and she's asking me to cut it. So this is the cake, some designer cake she tried out, and it's now it's in good result. So yeah, I'll have it and let you know how the taste is. Oh, it's up. See how it's designed and how it is looking. Still smoke is coming out. It's too hot and full. It's in full pattern, you know. देख के मस्त लग रहा है ये खा के. Yeah, yummy. It's yummy. Taste भी अच्छा है. So I'm happy today. Even Monday I'm getting so much surprise. In between the work also, I'm getting a beautiful cake to eat, and it's so tasty and yummy. is amazing. My mom is great, when you're working so hard and you're writing the program and codes and everything, when it's not successful, you feel so sad about it. But when it runs and we fix that defects and everything, then it's running perfectly. Then the smile and your happiness is something else. So now you're just what you're seeing in my face, that happiness is right when the code is running perfectly in the morning itself. Actually, when the things are down and everything, it doesn't happen. So now it's working fine and great. So yeah, I'm happy about it. I just finished up with my lunch and I took around 10 minutes and just finished it fast so that I can go and work again. So this is only the break I get. Afterwards I had to sit back again. बस फिर से काम स्टार्ट करना है. अभी जस्ट फ़ोन आया एक का कि काम कितना हुआ करके पूछ के. मैंने कहा अभी तो शुरू हुआ नहीं है, कुछ करना है, तो मैं अभी जस्ट फटाफट ख़त्म करके मिलता हूँ तुम लोग. Guys, after the lunch break, I took this break, first break, that is for some coffee, and right now the time is 7:50 and just finished up the meeting which went till 1.5 hours, and it's so tiring. So work is going on right now and a lot of work is there. I don't think right now the time will be like usually the time I work is around 12 hours. So right now I need to extend because I got information to extend the work because some deployment and some other works are there, so I need to do that. And so guys, so now you will be going to see my expectations when work from home was started, like how it was, and I thought of कैसा लगेगा. मस्त रहेगा वर्क फ्रॉम होम, मज़ा आएगा बहुत कुछ. पार्टी जैसे आराम से बैठ के लेट के सो के कैसे भी करेंगे करके. बट नाउ आई अंडरस्टूड आफ्टर लाइक वर्क फ्रॉम होम क्या होता है और रियलिटी क्या है, वो भी तुम्हें उसमें पता चलेगा. तो पहले वो देख के आइए, उसके बाद मिलते हैं.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So finally I have shut down my system. अभी हो रहा है टाइम 12:30 रात के, और अब जाके काम ख़त्म हुआ. पूरा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ बट थोड़ा बहुत ख़त्म हुआ. तो अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया हूँ. होप आपको ये वाला स्टोरी थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगा हो. तो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस video for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, adigos amigos, bye. I know guys, this video late आया, थोड़ा नहीं काफ़ी. आई बीन बिजी विथ माई वर्क्स एंड एवरीथिंग. केरला से आने के बाद बहुत ही सुस्त हो गया तो इसकी वजह से आई एम सॉरी. अभी अगली बार से ऐसे रिपीट नहीं होगा. कंटिन्यूस ब्लॉग्स आते रहेंगे. हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार तो ज़रूर आएगा. सो बस सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए जिससे तुम्हें नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचे, और बस मेरे साथ बने रहिए. टिल देन, बाय.